Hey everyone, it's me again, Ian, and I'm back with another TT Mark II video. This time we're going to look at fixing your broken headlight tabs. Now, often when mounting these headlights, the tabs on the top or on the bottom can be broken, but the good news is there are repair kits that you can get, and it's really simple to use the dirty car, but you can see the headlight tabs here on mine are broken. And unfortunately that was because I got these from overseas, and shipping from the UK to Australia means that they've got a long way to go, and that means there's a lot of likeliness for damage. So this one's a lot worse on this side. So it'll be just a matter of removing the headlights, which is super easy, and then we'll get into fitting the new headlight tabs. Alright, so this is the original tab, and you can see my dodgy attempt at a plastic welding job. So that's no good. But just to compare it to the replacement, you can see that it's got these like nice little ruler measurement on there, and the letter R for it being the right hand side. And the way it works is that the new mount screws into the fittings on that side there using the self-tapping screws. So all I need to do is, I think, just neaten up this edge here, remove these staples, and then I should be able to screw this guy on. Have to go really low. With the second cut, I'm almost there. You can see that kind of slides on, but it still doesn't move forward enough. So third cut, or more likely a shave, that kind of goes in now and sits nicely on top. And you can see from the back that, oh, can I get it? I'll be able to use those self-tapping screws in there to fasten that arm on. So there we go. It's nice and neat. Oops. Stay focused. That's how we should look. So you can see there's like a channel for it to go into, which is nice. So that's way stronger than what it was before. Just in case you needed it, the other piece goes down here next to the ballast. And you can see mine's still good, but I'm going to keep that just in case. And the same principle applies. So it'll slot into there. This is actually the guide to help you get it located. And then it'll screw into those two little points there. Awesome, so they're both looking really snazzy now. So there's your left. And the right hand side repair, I just need to get the bolt that goes into there, the adjustment bolt, and then they'll be good to go back in. And you've got your final little sort of placement screw here that helps you mark the depth of your headlights. And all that's left to do is admire your handiwork.